part of the transformation piece that we're going through right now, right? So it's challenging in the sense of this is kind of a bit of unknown territory for individuals. So you not only have to obviously win the hearts and minds of the employees, which are the most critical piece of all this, but here in Canton, we also have to win the hearts and minds of the individuals and the government, and then making sure because not only are employees going to be the ambassadors, but we also are heavily involved in the community as well too. And there's a lot of EV naysayers, and there's a lot of different things that are going on. And so we want to not only just provide information, but we also want to educate as well too. And so I spend a lot of time out in the community. I drive an EV every day. I allow them to test drive it and get a firsthand experience of what it looks like in driving one of these vehicles and the power and the technology that's provided as well too.